How to see Open Snap again on Snapchat. If any day you are a Snapchat user and you would like to replay your snap or you would like to see the open snaps again on Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your mobile device by tapping on Snapchat. After that, you have to go to the chat like option, and after you tap on the chat like option, now you can go to the option of unread because when you tap on the option of unread like this, now you can see the various kind of snaps that your friends has sent. Now after that, you can go to the very chat like option on any of your friend whose snap you would like to see, and after that you can see the very snap like this. Now in order to view it again or in order to see the snap once again, you can hold it like this, and after you hold it like this, you can tap on the option of replay, and after that you can go to the option of tap to view, and this way you can see the very scene, very snap again on Snapchat, and this way you can turn to turn replay the snap by holding it and tapping on replay. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.